The Ohana TK-70-6 tenor ukulele. That's right, six-string tenor ukulele. I'll tell you the tuning here in a second. Tenor size, solid spruce, solid mahogany sides and back, satin finish, mahogany neck, 1.5 inch nut width, 17-inch scale length, slotted headstock, 6 tuners. These have a really unique tuning. You have high G, C, unwound low C, E, A, and then a wound A string. Check it out. The Ohana TK-70-6, Terry Carter Music Store, Ukulele to Pros.